Hello folks, Gino here with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Today I've got a 2009 Harley Davidson Fat Bob I want to show you. The bike's got some beautiful paint on it. It's a metallic. It's called red, but it looks like sort of a burnt brown with a lot of metallic in it that sort of changes colors in the sun as you move around. I don't know if you can really see that very well in the video, but it's beautiful paint. This bike's got 22,793 miles on it. Fire it off and let you listen to it. Bike's been upgraded with a Screaming Eagle heavy breather intake. It's got some Vance & Hines exhaust added to it. This bike comes with mid-mount controls. Noticed a couple of little dings here I want to show you. There's one here in the tank, and then there's another one over here on this side of the tank. And then I noticed a scratch right down here on this side of the rear fender. It's got the blacked out motor, looks real good on these bikes. I noticed on the fender it's got some little bit of a looks like orange peel or ripple effect right there. And then I noticed it down here as well. I'm not sure what that is. I don't know if you can see it very good in the video. If you'd like to know more about this bike, you can call our sales team toll free at 888-400-1151 or go online and see our complete inventory at cleanharleys.com. This bike was serviced and safety checked in our service department, and she is ready to ride. Got some good financing and extended warranty options on this bike. And we sell and ship motorcycles all over the world, so it would be easy to get this one to you. This is Gino with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Thanks for looking.